DJI Flip vs. Neo, which beginner drone is better? When starting your journey into flying drones, the right model can significantly enhance your experience. Two standout options for beginners are the DJI Flip and DJI Neo. Both are designed to help newcomers navigate the skies with ease, but which one truly fits your needs? For first-time flyers, it's essential to select a reliable, user-friendly, and affordable drone that offers functionality without complexity. Both the DJI Flip and Neo cater to beginners, but offer unique advantages depending on what you're looking for. The DJI Flip is a lightweight drone engineered for ease of use. Its simplicity makes it a perfect entry point for novice pilots new to drone technology. Compact design, the foldable and portable design makes it travel-friendly. It slips easily into a bag for your outdoor adventures. Beginner-friendly controls, featuring intuitive controls and one-touch takeoff and landing, it's perfect for mastering the basics. Stable performance, advanced GPS and altitude hold technology ensure a stable flight experience, even in slightly breezy conditions. HD camera, capture memorable moments with its 1080p HD camera, which delivers surprisingly crisp images and videos. Decent battery life. It provides up to 30 minutes of flight time, sufficient for extended practice and exploration flights. Perfect choice for complete beginners who want to learn in a stress-free way. Travel-friendly size adds to its practicality. Easy-to-use controls make it an effortless device to pick up and fly. Adequate camera quality for casual photography and video recording. Solid battery life gives beginners enough time to build confidence mid-flight. While still built for beginners, the DJI Neo takes things a step further. It combines ease of use with advanced features, making it ideal for those eager to explore more possibilities early on. Smart flight modes. With follow me, waypoints, and return-to-home functionalities, flying feels dynamic and immersive. 4K camera boosts image and video quality significantly compared to the DJI Flip, perfect for capturing cinematic shots. Obstacle avoidance. Equipped with sensors to prevent collisions, ensuring a safer experience for novice pilots. Extended battery life. Fly for an impressive 35 minutes, giving you more room for creativity and exploration. Increased range. Explore farther with a 100-meter control range, double that of the DJI Flip. Advanced flight modes promote interactive and enjoyable flying experiences. The 4K camera is a clear winner for detail-rich captures. Safety features, including obstacle avoidance, reduce the anxiety of crashes. Extended range and flight time provide beginners with an expansive flying experience. A great mid-step before investing in professional-grade drones. If you're a beginner prioritizing simplicity, the DJI Flip is unbeatable. Its straightforward features and affordable price make it ideal for casual users wanting to dip their toes into flying without committing to advanced capabilities. If you see yourself growing your skills and experimenting with advanced features like Follow Me or 4K video, the DJI Neo is worth the investment. It offers a superior experience with just a small price increase. The DJI Flip and DJI Neo both excel in introducing drone flying to beginners, each catering to different aspirations. The Flip keeps things fun, simple, and affordable, making it perfect for learning the basics. Meanwhile, the Neo strikes a balance between ease of use and enhanced functionality, offering newcomers a chance to grow without feeling overwhelmed. So what's your pick? Whether you prioritize simplicity or seek advanced features without breaking the bank, one of these drones will surely meet your needs. Ready to elevate your skills? Choose your companion today and let the sky be your playground.